As a freelancer, you might be generating a lot of invoices every month and you don't want to manually mark invoices as paid. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how Bexio can help you by connecting directly to your bank account. It's quite a complex tutorial, be warned, and before that I would just like to take a few seconds to show you how easy this process is with Magic Heidi, which is an invoicing company that I developed that is built specifically for Swiss freelancers. So just as a comparison, here is my own account with Magic Heidi. You'll see the interface is all quite simple. And I just downloaded an Excel from Credit Suisse, which is the bank I use, with just all the transactions. And now all I have to do, you see we have two invoices here that have been paid and whose transactions are in this Excel file. And I just drag it inside and automatically the invoices are marked as paid and the task is done. So that's how simple this is with Magic Heidi. Let's see how it is with Bexio. So the first step is to go into banking. Let me close this thing. And now what you want to do is say connect eBanking. So now you have to enter your actual Credit Suisse username and password. So those are very confidential informations and you have to trust Bexio with that data. And if they get hacked, as other accounting apps have been in the past, you risk someone accessing your banking account, which can be very problematic. Let me log in for the sake of this tutorial. I will pause the video for privacy reasons and see you on the other side. So I just went through the process and gave my password as well as did the secure sign-in thing. And this is the message I'm getting. So unfortunately, it seems like I can't actually connect my bank account, even though my bank account has data and we saw it with Magic Heidi. So I will close it here. Luckily, there is another way to do it, which is simply to import bank statements as I demonstrated earlier with Magic Heidi, which is a bit more manual, but much more safe from a privacy perspective and works really pretty well. So unfortunately, Bexio doesn't allow you to just upload a bank statement as you would if you go into Credit Suisse, for example. You're in your account and you can just say export Excel. What they need is some specific CAMT 45 file. So you actually have to find those files first. And this is not an easy process. And so in Credit Suisse, the way to do this is to go into accounts and cards. And here you will find download inf account. Then you have to go into order subscription, select which account you want to use and say subscribe. Now you'll be asked which file format you want. So here we're recognizing the file formats, the 53 thing that Bexio was asking for. And so we will, I guess, select that one, or maybe we can just select multiple ones. I guess let's just go with normal and say subscribe. Now the account has been subscribed. I'll click on continue. And if I go into Swift bookings now, I should see this account. And now I guess I have to go into manage subscription. Go here, say save or file format. As you see, this is a slightly more complex process. And once more, I seem to be unable to actually download anything here. Okay, so now I'm here, Swift bookings. I want new files. And again, they're not here. So maybe I have to wait a few weeks to actually get it. But that was at least the process. I hope this was useful to a certain extent. Once more, the takeaway, at least again on our side, is this is so much easier with Magic Heidi. But we wish Bexio customers all the best.